Hey guys, Kristen Alexis here at my birthday bash. Come check out some art, some good food, and good drinks and good vibes.
Happy birthday, Kristen. Super vibes. Thank you for letting the Vibe Collective do this for you. And I hope today is awesome for you and the rest of the year. Much love.
Hey Chrissy, happy birthday. I completely remember when we met years ago at Macy's and you used to doodle on the back of receipts, and look at you here today. I'm so proud of you, and I wish you many, many more blessings and many more birthdays. Happy birthday, my dear friend.
Happy birthday, Christine. I just want to say happy birthday once again, of course, but to many more, I hope that you have a great, time today. You had a great time last night, so I heard, and that I hope everything becomes great in your life and that you continue striving for everything that you deserve and that you want in this world, and yeah, enjoy it.
I am so proud to be here. I just want to say happy birthday to my girl, Chris. Chrissy, I'm so proud of you. Keep doing your thing like I wrote in your card. You are beautiful inside and out, and don't let nobody dim your light.
Happy birthday, Chris. Love you, girl. So proud of you. So happy for you and your art show and everything. Love you, Chris.